Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing super great. So I am Talha from Talha at Chip Expert channel. So today I'm going to show you how to actually send an email specifically through your Gmail from your Linux terminal. I mean, it's a very powerful command. So if you want to automate any emails or something like that, then you can use this method that I'm going to tell you to send some automated emails. So let's start with the first step, and the first step is obviously that we are going to install some dependencies. So let me show you. So I've opened up my Ubuntu here. Okay, so and one more thing, that I'm going to give you a link in the bio of my GitHub. So in my GitHub, I've explained all the steps that you need to follow, and I've also written the scripts that you can follow along. Okay, so first step that we are going to do, obviously we are going to do a sudo apt update, because we want to update the repository list. Okay, so let's do a sudo apt update. While this happens, let's copy the other commands. So first, what we are going to install is MSMTP and mail-utils. Okay, and let's just wait for it to install. Now let's paste this one. Okay, so it's already installed in my system, but in your system, obviously it will install for the first time, so it may take some time. Okay, so let's do the other one. Just a minute. Copy and then paste. Enter. Okay, again, I have it already installed, so in your system it will take some time. Okay, so the next step that you are going to do is that you have to make a configuration file. So how are you going to make a configuration file? What you have to do, you have to be in your home. So let's just check, am I in my home or not? Okay, so let's do a pwd, so you can check that I'm in home Triton. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file. So how I'm going to do that, I am going to write in vim msmtprc. So what it is saying is that this is msmtp run configuration. So this is like when you start msmtp, so it will pick up its configuration from there. So what we are going to do in this configuration, we are going to write some variables that are going to variables, especially our email. So when we are sending email, we have to tell msmtp, so what email are they going to send it through. Okay, so if I open this up, so I've already written this before, so you can just follow it along. I've also give it in my GitHub. Let me show you. So if I go here, Gmail terminal, then I can click on here, msmtprc. Okay, so I've written wrong spelling here, so you have to just edit this a little bit. Just a minute. msmtprc. Okay, so I'm just going to commit the change here really quickly. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so what you're going to do here is that you have to first paste your username here, then you have to paste your Gmail app password key. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to actually do that, and then obviously you have to paste your email again here. Okay, so this is just the standard format that we have to use. Okay, so how are you going to make an email app pass key? Okay, so first you have to go to your Gmail account. Okay, for go to your Gmail account and then click on here. Okay, in this small icon, click manage your Google account. Okay, so managing your Google account, you have to do two things. First is you have to enable two-step authentication. Okay, so if you just write here in the search bar two-step verification and click on two-step verification, so it's asking me to verify. Let me just verify real quickly. Okay, so I have to now turn on two-step verification. Mine is already turned on. So what you will do here is you will have to click this option here, which will say turn on two-step verification. You will do that, and then what you will do is that you will have to just type in your phone number. Okay, that's it, nothing more than that. Okay, after two-step verification is turned on, you again have to search, go to the search and type in here app passwords. Okay, click on here. Okay, app passwords, and you have to create a new app password. I have already created one, Linux term. So let me show you how you will create. You will just give any name to your password. So let's say I write down test. So create, I will click on create, and it will give you this password. Okay, save this password. Okay, it will not show you again after this as after this window. Okay, save this password. So I've already created the Linux term password, and in my script I've already written that password. Okay, so you can see here that the password is already written for my email account. Okay, and one more thing that I want to show you is that let's just quit it here. And the next, so you have done all the steps that you needed to do. Okay, so this is everything that you needed to do. So the next step is going to be actually sending out the email. So The email will be sent out in a simple format. The format I've also given in my email, in my GitHub. So if I go here, Gmail terminal, and if I go down here, you can send this this is a format, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to copy it. You're going to make a vim send underscore email dot sh. You're going to make a shell file, okay? Click on it, and I'm just going to paste it here, okay? So I've pasted the format here. So what I'm going to do here is I have to give the my subject name. So here I will write the subject as hello. I'm very creative, so I'm just typing in hello, okay? And to who I'm going to send it to, let's write my own secondary email, okay? And then I'm going to again going to give the content of the email, and here I'm going to type hello again being very creative. And finally the name of the file, okay? I have named the file as hello.txt. Wow, hello.txt, again name of the file. So this is just standard format, okay? You just have to follow it, okay? hello.txt, and path of the file slash home slash triton slash hello.txt, and finally again the recipient email, which is talha@chipexpert.com. Okay, so let me show you what we just did. Okay, so first we had to supply a subject of the email, which was again hello, and then we have to send it to where give it the name of the receiver. Okay, talha@chipexpert.com. Okay, so then you will be thinking, what is this hello.th? So this is basically any file that you want to send to in the email. Okay, so in the email you generally have a subject, a body, and the attachments that you send in the emails. Okay, so here what you're going to do is you have attached a file by the name of hello.txt. Now your file will be different, so the name of the file and the path of the file will be different. So this is the thing that we had to do, and just press escape and colon wq. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a chmod plus x. I'm going to make this file an executable file. Okay, send underscore email dot sh. So now this has become an executable file. So what I'm going to do next is that dot slash send underscore email. Okay, I'm just going to enter it, and it will take some time to send the email. Okay, so it is completed. So I'm just going to verify whether it has sent an email or not. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go to my Gmail. I'm going to just do a quick reload, and I'm going to go on sent. Okay, so if I go to sent, I can see here that on 11:38 an email was sent. Okay, and if I click here, so you can see there this hello is written here. So by the way, the time is showing 9:39. There is a time difference between my email clock and my system clock, so it's exactly 2 hours. So it was just sent here, okay, to hello. Okay, and again I can verify it by just giving it a different subject name the next time. Okay, if I go to vim send underscore email dot sh, let's give it a different subject name. So instead of hello, I'm going to just type in a bye, bye, colon wq. Okay, let's do that again, send underscore email dot sh. Okay, so email is sent. Let's go back, and we can see here another email was just sent by the name of bio, by the subject of bio, sorry. Okay, again I can click on hello.txt, again hello.txt. Okay, so that was the whole video. So in this tutorial I just taught you how to actually send out emails to your Linux terminal. Again, I've told you that it is used for automations and many other utilities and tools. Okay, so you can send emails through your terminal, you can automate your emails, and so yeah, you can also attach files with your email sent through your terminal. Okay, so this was the video. Hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, then do like this video, and also subscribe, and also share the video if you think it was helpful and it might be helpful to other people. So thanks a lot, people. So inshallah we'll meet you next time. So take care and bye bye.